Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Devon Energy Corporation, and this is the monthly chart which you have here. Now there is an opportunity which we are going to discuss in this particular video. So let's start discussing about the chart and the opportunity which is growing in this particular stock. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now first of all, because we are looking at the monthly chart, so we cannot get the very small change in the price. Actually, if you're looking at the current price, so the stock is in correction. Let me show it to you. Okay, let me show it to you. So this is the price chart of Devon Energy. As you can see over here that the stock in the last 5 days is in a correction mode, which is not visible in the monthly chart, right? So first of all, you must understand certain conditions before thinking or going forward. So for any sort of a big uptrend, the stock must sustain above these two levels, and these two levels are 38.45 and 32.57. So the stock must not fall below $32 if it wants to go on the further on the upside. So that's the condition which is there for you. Number two, if the stock continues to sustain above 38.45, now let me tell you one more thing, that these are slow moving stocks. These are not those stocks which can move 1000% in a month. So until and unless there is a very big catalyst. So take this as a note. Now if the stock continues to sustain above 38.45, we have three primary targets to look at because we are still in a range. So we have three primary targets to look at. Started with 78.32, then we have 92.47, we have 125 or $126. So these are our three targets. You can call it as a primary target or intermediate target, but these are the three targets which we are looking here as far as the trend is concerned. Now $125 is the high that the stock has made in the year 2008. So the stock must surpass all these levels for a new trend, and it must not fall below 32.5 on the downside, and if it continues to sustain above 38.45, we have these three levels as far as the upper end of the range is concerned. Now this is about the current price action. Beyond that, if you want to see, so this is the trend. Okay, this is the trend which we have here. So this is how the stock was moving previously before the trend changes, right? Here we are. So as you can clearly see, this was the previous range. This was the previous range of the stock, and the stock has been moving in that particular range in between 1989 and 2008, and then the trend has shifted in 2012. So if the stock surpasses $125-$126 on the upside, okay, so if it makes a breakout above $126 and sustain above that, so the next range we have here, or next target we have here, is in between $233 and $374. So this is going to be the big range that will open up for you, right? So this is a very simple chart. We just need to wait and see how the stock has been moving Once it sustains above 38.45, we have three primary targets, and beyond 125 you have a big target which is in between 233 and 374. Now your previous trend line will work as a resistance. Okay, your previous trend line will work as a resistance, and if the price will pierce this line, then your old trend get activated. But that's something which we are going to discuss later on. Right now you have three primary targets which will lead you to the big resistance of 2008, which is 125, 126. Once it moves beyond 126, you have a big range which is in between 233 and 374 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.